Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll teach you how to exit recovery mode on your iPhone without a computer. If your iPhone is stuck in recovery mode and you don't know how to exit, are you frustrated? You just want your iPhone to work normally. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to exit recovery mode, and none of these methods will result in data loss. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart using the buttons. This is the simplest method. Quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the power button. Hold the power button until you see the Apple logo, then release it. Your iPhone will force restart, and it should be working normally after restarting. This method also works for many other iPhone problems. But what if your phone is completely frozen? Don't worry, here's another method. Method 2. Exit recovery mode using another iPhone. If you have a second iPhone, try this method. Place the other iPhone next to the stuck iPhone. Then tap the iPhone in recovery mode several times until you see the Apple logo start flashing. At this point, a prompt should appear on a nearby iPhone to help you exit recovery mode. Simply follow the on-screen steps, and your iPhone will return to normal. But what if your buttons are malfunctioning and you don't have another iPhone? Don't worry, I'm here to help. Method 3. Use Gbyte to exit recovery mode with one click. Gbyte is a professional iOS system repair tool trusted by millions of users. It can fix over 150 iOS system problems, including exiting iPhone recovery mode with one click. You can download it from the link in the instructions. It's free to use. Simply connect your iPhone to your computer, open Gbyte, and click Exit Recovery Mode in the bottom left corner. In less than 10 seconds, your iPhone will restart and return to normal. It's very simple. You can also use it to enter recovery mode with one click. If you want the simplest and most reliable repair method, this is definitely your best choice. That's all for today. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.